Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Nailed It's 11th Day Challenge. Today, we'll do a very cool budget nail art using bindi. Yes, all these designs are made by using bindi. Don't you think this is amazing? So these are the ones which we are going to use. So I have got these from a local shop, considering that anyone can get it from anywhere across India. So you can see I have got multicolor silver and golden one. You can just visit your nearest cosmetic shop and you will find them. That's the reason why I've taken this one, so that you don't have to hunt for it. So let's begin with our base coat. I will apply the base coat for all my nails. So let's begin with the first design. We'll apply the white nail polish first, and I will also list down all the nail polish which I have used in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I have not listed down the bindi. They are more expensive on Amazon, to be very honest. You will get it cheaper at your local stores. Now we will apply our pink polish on one side. You can also use a tape if you're not comfortable doing it directly like I'm doing it here. I am going with the second coat of pink. Now we'll use a glitter polish. I'm using a brush here, but you can also use a toothpick if you're not comfortable with brush. If you're new here, I am grateful to have you. My whole channel is about making your life easy when it comes to nail art. So be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. I post a new video every day. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you're watching and you're creating this for yourself. We are using a silver bindi for this first design, so make sure that you take the bindi and stick it on the paper in order to remove the glue, because we don't want the glue. Instead, we will use our top coat. We will apply our top coat and we'll place the bindi one after the other, just like so. You can use your tweezer or also apply the bindi with your hands, anything that's comfortable for you. Take your time and be careful while you place the bindi. In case if you get a patch like this, just like I did it, don't worry, you can go in and fill in the white polish there with a toothpick. You will not even see it. So our first nail art with bindi is done. Let's apply the top coat now. Don't you think this is pretty? And who can say that we have done this nail art using a bindi? Let's move on to the second design. Here I'm doing it directly using the white polish, but again you can use a tape for the same. And I'm going with the second coat. We'll take a golden polish and draw a line on the edge of our white polish. Here I'm using a golden bindi. All you have to do is put a small dot where you want to place the bindi. You can also do this with a toothpick. Let's apply our top coat and the second design is done. Pretty, isn't it? Comment below and let me know which design was your favorite. I would love to hear it. Now let's start our third nail art. We will use a black polish as a base, and don't forget to use 2 coats of it. I'm going to use these multicolor ones. This can be used as a party wear nail art. It will really look cool, trust me. And also you could try this one on a white nail polish as well. I think that will also look great. It's hard time to get the bindi on my nail because they are so small. I think I will use my hands for the same. But still, I'm trying. I haven't given up yet. Let's see how long I'm gonna use a tweezer for the same. Okay, I gave up. I don't think so I have that much of patience to go with the tweezers anymore. I am using my hands to get the bindi and place it on my nail, and then I'm gonna fix it with the tweezer because I don't want to spoil my nail art. You can just put this bindi randomly where you want to, as I'm doing it here, and it will look really cool. Okay, don't worry if you get any black nail polish out. We are going to fix this with the black polish again. I'll just show it to you how we can do this. See, you just have to take the polish and apply it wherever you feel that you've taken out the color, and you're done. To finish this nail art, let's apply the top coat. Did you like your new party wear nail art? If yes, then let me know. We will move to the fourth design now. As usual, I'm going to go with 2 coats of blue shades. Okay, so for the flower, we will use pink color for the petals and the silver one would be in the middle. So let's see how we can do this. Look at the first design which we did. I am in love with this nail art. So now let's begin with our fourth design. We'll place a silver one in the middle and the pink one around it, creating a flower. So let's do it. So make sure that the pink bindi which you place it very close to the silver bindi, or else you will have a hard time to adjust this, and then you will end up messing up with your blue base color as well. So we don't want to do that. So place it as close to the silver polish as possible. I know it will take time, but it is worth it. Once you finish the nail art, you will love it. Okay, so I'm gonna speed this up a little bit so that you guys don't have to wait forever to complete this nail art. Just see how I'm placing them and I'm adjusting them with a tweezer. Don't try to adjust them with your hands, you will mess it up. Let's apply our top coat. Please try different color and use your own creation, and tag me on Instagram and let me also see what kind of nail arts have you recreated. So now we'll go with the final and the last design, which is on the thumb. I am so sorry, the camera was so close, I did not notice it. It's very blur, I know, but we are trying to draw a cat. So I've drawn a semicircle here, okay, with the black polish. Now I'll use a brush and I'm drawing her here. You can also use a toothpick in case if you're not comfortable with brush. Yes, I heard you guys, and I am back, and now I think you can see it clearly. So now all I am doing is I have taken the golden polish and which we will use it as her eyes. You can see that this is not aligned to each other. I will use a tweezer to fix this, and now we'll draw her nose with a white polish like so. If you're a cat lover, you will definitely love this. Have a close look and just tell me in the comments below if you liked it. Let's apply our top coat and we are good to go. We are done with all our 5 designs. I hope you guys liked it and they were so easy to recreate. So don't forget to do it and also share it with me. I would love to see them. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and do give this video a big thumbs up. This really helps me and motivates me to make more such videos. If you want me to make more budget videos, do let me know in the comments below. I will recreate them for you guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.